Hello everyone, welcome to lecture on matrices. Today we are going to discuss how to find eigenvalue of a matrix. Before that we are first see some basic definition by using this example A equals to given matrix. The definition of characteristic matrix is, if we are saying characteristic matrix, then it is defined as A minus lambda I is a characteristic matrix. Here A is a given matrix and we are subtracting lambda minus I. We get new matrix that is called characteristic matrix. By using this example, if we are find the characteristic matrix for this given matrix, what will happen? Here the matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 2 and we are subtracting minus lambda I. I is an identity matrix. We have to take identity matrix. Here it contains element 0, 0, 1. The order of matrix A and identity matrix must be same. Then and then addition and subtraction will be possible. If we are subtract this element, we get new matrix contain value 1 minus lambda, then here 2, then 3 minus 0 times lambda, that means 3. Similarly for 2 minus lambda, so here 2 minus lambda. This new matrix is called characteristic matrix. Now we see next definition, that is characteristic equation. Here the definition of characteristic equation is determinant of A minus lambda I is equals to 0 is called characteristic equation. If we are solving determinant of this matrix, we get equation in the form of lambda. That equation we take equals to 0. That complete equation is called characteristic equation. From this given matrix, if we solve the determinant of this matrix, what will happen? Here determinant of 1 minus lambda 2, 3, 2 minus lambda equals to 0. Then we get here 1 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus 6 equals to 0. This is our characteristic equation for given matrix A. Now we see what is meant by eigenvalue. The definition of eigenvalue is simply the roots of characteristic equation is nothing but eigenvalues. If we solve the roots of this equation, we get the values of lambda, and the values of lambda, that is nothing but eigenvalues. For this equation, if we solve this complete equation, here we get here lambda square. I am solving this equation, lambda square minus 3 lambda then minus 4 equals to 0. Then roots are, if we factorize this term, we get here minus 4 lambda plus lambda minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore, the roots of our equation is plus 4 minus 1. Now we see some basic tricks how to find eigenvalues. देखिए इस इक्वेशन के अंदर ये इक्वेशन निकालना दैट इज़ मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, एंड इसके लिए हम एक फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे. यू हैव टू नोट डाउन द फॉर्मूला, दैट इज़ for square matrix of order 2 by 2. Here I am using for matrix of order 2 by 2. If we have given A matrix of order 2 by 2, then the characteristic equation for 2 by 2 matrix is lambda square minus S1 lambda plus determinant of A is equals to 0. Here S1 is sum of diagonal element. Sum of diagonal elements. By using this formula, we can easily find this equation. How check whether it is correct or not? For same example, I am solving the S1. Here our given matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 2. Now here diagonal elements are 1 and 2. If we add this element 1, 2, we get 3. So here the sum of diagonal element, that means here 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Now we have to find determinant of A. if we solve the determinant of given matrix A, then we get here 2 minus 6, that means minus 4. So the value of determinant of A is minus 4. Now put the value of S1 and determinant of A in given equation. We get lambda square minus 3 lambda, that is value of S1, plus determinant of A. Here determinant of A is minus 4. So here minus 4 equals to 0. देखिए यहाँ पे जो हमने रेगुलर मेथड से सॉल्व किया तो भी हमें वही इक्वेशन मिला, सेम इस फॉर्मूले से भी वही इक्वेशन मिल रहा है। इस फॉर्मूले से हम डायरेक्टली कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। ये हो जाएगा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन, और इसी के रूट्स दैट नथिंग बट द आइगन वैल्यू। हियर द आइगन वैल्यू ऑफ गिवन मैट्रिक्स A is 4 and -1. Now we are see for 3x3 matrix how to find characteristic equation for 3x3 matrix. For that, here I am taking the matrix A of order 3x3. The formula for characteristic equation of matrix of order 3x3 is lambda cube minus S1 lambda square plus S2 lambda minus determinant of A equals to 0. Here S1 is same meaning, S1 is nothing but sum of diagonal element. Here diagonal elements are 5, 4, minus 3. If we take sum of diagonal element, that is 5 plus 4 minus 3, we get here 6. Now S2 is here, S2 is again sum of minor of order 2 corresponding to this diagonal element. Here we take the first diagonal element is 5. We have to skip corresponding row and column and take determinant of remaining element. So here determinant of remaining element, that means 4 minus 1, 8 minus 3. So here 4 minus 1, 8 minus 3. Similarly for second diagonal element. Second diagonal element is 4. You have to skip second row, second column corresponding to this second diagonal element. Remaining element is 5 minus 5, 2 minus 3. So the values are 5 minus 5, 2 minus 3. Similarly 7. Solve this 2x2 determinant and find the value of S2. Here the value of first determinant minus 4, second minus 5, and third is plus 20. If we add this, we get plus 11. Next value, that is determinant of A. We know that how to find determinant of A. You try yourself, you get determinant of A equals to here minus 6. Now put the value of S1, S2 and determinant of A in this equation. We get here lambda cube minus S1 is 6, so minus 6 lambda square, then S2 is 11 lambda, then minus determinant of A is 6 equals to 0. This is the required characteristic equation for given matrix A. Now find the roots of this characteristic equation. If we find the roots of this equation, we get the value 1, 2 and 3. These are the roots of characteristic equation, and these roots is nothing but our eigen values. If here the given matrix of order 3x3, that's why we get here 3 roots corresponding to this characteristic equation. These are the eigen values of a given matrix A. Thank you.